Hi, welcome to Palettes, Pouts, Perfumes and Panning, and I'm here tonight with my beauty box from Look Fantastic. So, if you'd like to see what's in it, keep watching. It came this morning, and usually I read out from the booklet what the products are, but they have made quite a few substitutions this month, so what I got isn't in the booklet. So we'll just have to go with the best I can do on the products that I got. So first thing was, unfortunately, my box was damaged, which isn't a big deal at all and not an issue really, apart from the fact that the inner box was damaged, which also isn't all that big of a deal, but sadly one of the products was damaged from the box being damaged. So it was this, and this, it actually smells like eucalyptus or Vicks Vapor. For those familiar with Vicks Vapor, it's a peeling mask, and as you can see the whole way around, when I took it out initially I thought it looked quite grubby and I could get the smell in the box, but I didn't know what it was. And when I opened this, it had all spilt. So whilst I was disappointed, it's not the end of the world. It is a peeling mask, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. It says, don't panic if your skin turns red, it means it's working. And the brand is E-Cooking. So there was that. And it says, due to the peeling nature of this mask, it is not recommended for use before going out into the sun. So, and there's lactic acid in it, there's glycolic acid in it, and there's squalene in it. So that was the first product. I won't be able to use it, unfortunately, but as I said, it's not the end of the world. So diving into the rest of the products, Stress Check Kind Hands. Now this is in the booklet, and it's a hand cream, an intensely moisturizing hand cream, perfect for replenishing skin after washing or sanitizing, and it locks in hydration, and it provides fast acting relief without leaving any residue. There's shea butter, vitamin E, bio boost oil, lavender, and ylang ylang. So it's sealed, as you can see, so there was no issue with that leaking. Oh, it doesn't seem to want to. Now I'm not removing any errors or bloopers or anything out of the video, because as I just said, it is real life and that's what happens. So that is in the booklet, and the peeling mask is in the booklet. Now this isn't in the booklet, and this is just a L'Oreal hand sanitizer, and I used it today and it's fine, no irritation, quite nice. The only issue I have with it compared to the pump dispensing ones I usually use is when you turn it upside down, a lot does tend to come out, too much. So that aside, it's neat, it's a good brand, and I'm happy enough. We always need hand sanitizer, so it's a good product. I think what should have been in the box instead of that was, it was a multifunctional soap sponge, and it was mother of pearl, deep cleansing clarifying sponge enriched with mother of pearl to enhance radiance, improve the skin's overall texture. Wet the sponge, massage onto the skin, working up into a soap lather as you do so, and using circular motions all over the body. Rinse and reuse as often as you wish. That's what should have been there, and I think to substitute the hand sanitizer for that. So next we got Burt's Bees. Now I do love Burt's Bees, and I did buy them in a little packet Christmas for my daughters, that they had a little string, you could hang them on the Christmas tree. There were 3 in a pack. Some were tinted balms and others were just plain. And this one is the cucumber, I think it's cucumber and mint. Cucumber mint, yeah. Great product, very moisturising. Very happy with that. Because Burt's Bees products aren't cheap, so I was more than happy with that. Now this is the 5th product, and this is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and it's a soft silicone for gentle exfoliation with handy suction pads. And it says a soft silicone bristle facial pad designed for use with your favourite cleanser to deeply cleanse your pores and remove any dead skin cells. Used regularly to reveal a gorgeous glowing complexion. Now, I don't think that I would use it for that, but what I am going to use it for is cleaning my brushes, my eye brushes. So that's what I'm going to, the purpose that I'm going to use it for. And again, the Vintage Company Cosmetics, their items are really cute. So it's a nice little product. Now this is another substitution that isn't in the booklet, and this is Comfort Zone Hydro Memory Cream Gel, 24-hour hydration cream gel, and I think there's glycolic. Is there? I can't actually, because it's not in the booklet. I think I read earlier on when the light was better, there is hyaluronic acid in that. I think it's at a double strength. Just check, is it sealed? Probably. Yeah. Sealed. It's an awful pity that the peeling mask wasn't sealed, and then I would have been able to, if not use it myself, pass it on. And then the last item in the box is KW Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum, and that is a very decent size. And there's kiwi seed oil, vitamin A, grapefruit, caprylic, and there's a PHA also. It's a quick absorbent serum formula eye treatment that combines superfood ingredients to create a soothing treatment to defend the delicate eye area against external aggressors. And it comes in a dropper as so. Now I'm not going to use it because I'm going to pass it on, and the reason being 15 mils, 0.1 fluid ounces. Some of the medications that I take can't have grapefruit with, and there is grapefruit in it, so I just wouldn't chance putting it on my face with the grapefruit issue. So it makes some of the medications that I take not work correctly. So there's that. So I'll be passing that on. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and I get to try 6 or pass on what I'm not using. So I would say definitely the Look Fantastic box was well worth the price point that I paid for it, and it does come with the booklet, which is brilliant, explains everything. The only issue that I would have with it would be the fact that for the items that were sent in replace of the ones that are in the booklet, you don't have any details of them, and in regards to something like this, the writing is so small it can be quite difficult to determine, is it an eye cream or a face cream. There's that. But all in all, I'm really happy with that box, and definitely worth the money. And I will be continuing to purchase the Look Fantastic Beauty Book box for sure. So if you like the video, thumbs it up, and if you've tried any of these products and liked them or not liked them, leave a comment in the comment section. I would be very interested to hear. Or if you do get the Look Fantastic subscription box, leave a comment and let me know what your opinion on it is. And until the next video, thank you for watching, and it's appreciated. Bye.